What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Bar Checking. I've been eating a lot of eggs lately and I haven't made some ground eggshells for a while. So today, it's ground eggshell day. I'll show you what I'm doing. So doing your ground eggshells is pretty simple and straightforward. Go ahead. I take and I kind of pre-crush them as I put them in. So what I plan on using this for is for my worm bin for ground eggshells to help the worms break down the food because they don't have a stomach, they have crop and gizzard. Okay, so here we go. Power up the unit. I'm going to start it off around a 10. This sometimes can be a problem, so give it a little shake. Bump it up a little. Also add this to my compost as an amendment to help add some calcium back into the garden and the vegetable beds. And I can also use this as a insect deterrent and sprinkle it around the base of some of my plants. Now you see all this dust? You do not want to breathe this in. So as I said, I'm going to be very careful not to get any of this dust in or around me. So now I'll be good on ground eggshells for a little while. And don't forget, with your worm bins, with gardening, reuse old containers, and then it's a huge cost savings because then you don't have to worry about purchasing new things. You're using what you already have. The eggshells I had stored in was a cookie container, and now I'm using a pickle jar for the eggshells. So it doesn't cost you anything and you're getting to reuse it. So it's a great way to kind of recycle and reuse your old containers. Well, thanks for coming along, checking this out. Everybody have a great day.